Hello, welcome to the Lenz Magic Fudge microwave cooking demonstration. Hi, my name is Seymour Lenz, and I'm the inventor of Lenz Magic Fudge. Using my Lenz Magic Fudge chocolate mix, you'll be able to make a gourmet fudge in just a few minutes in the microwave oven. And the magic is that it hardens like magic in only 2 minutes. Step-by-step instructions are shown on the above cooking instruction card to cook the fudge in a microwave oven. A microwave cooking time chart is located on the back of the card that will show you the cooking times to use when using whole milk based on the wattage of your microwave oven. The wattage of the microwave oven can be found on the door panel or on the inside wall of the microwave or on the rear panel. The cooking time chart shown above will enable you to select the proper cooking time when using whole milk. For example, when using a 1500-watt microwave oven, you locate the 1500 watts in the microwave column and see that 2 cooking times of 3 minutes each are required to cook the fudge. In the photo above, you'll see some of the items you'll need to cook the fudge. 1 bag of fudge mix, some non-stick cooking spray, 1/4 stick of butter, a 1/2 cup of milk. That can be whole milk, coconut milk, or evaporated milk for extra creamy fudge, and a cup of crushed walnuts or other ingredients you might wish to add to the fudge. I prefer to use a 1/2 cup measuring cup and just fill it to the brim. Before you get started, cover a 4 by 8 inch metal loaf pan with aluminum foil. Then spray the foil with non-stick cooking spray. Use a 2.5 quart plastic bowl and spray it with non-stick spray. Spray it for at least 5 seconds. Then place a 1/4 stick of butter into the bowl. Then melt the butter in the microwave. Add 1 bag of magic fudge mix to the bowl. Try to keep the fudge mix off of the sides of the bowl. Now add a 1/2 cup of whole milk, coconut milk, or evaporated milk to the bowl. Use coconut milk or evaporated milk for extra creamy fudge. Then stir until smooth. Place the bowl into the microwave oven and set the time according to the chart. Be sure and reduce the time 1 minute if you're using coconut milk or evaporated milk. Remove the bowl of hot fudge from the microwave and stir it for 30 seconds. Use the spatula to wash the hot fudge around the walls of the bowl to melt any unmelted sugar crystals that may be stuck to the sides. Place the bowl back into the microwave and set the time again according to the chart. Remove the bowl from the microwave and stir the fudge for 30 seconds. Once again, wash the hot fudge around the walls to melt any unmelted sugar crystals. Next, beat the fudge with a wooden spoon for 3 minutes, making sure that you wash the hot fudge around the walls to melt all the sugar crystals that may be stuck to the walls. At this time, you can add other ingredients to the fudge, such as crushed walnuts or peanut butter. Add them quickly to the hot fudge. Stir until thoroughly mixed, then pour into the metal loaf pan. After the fudge has cooled for 1 minute, you can then lift the hot fudge out of the metal pan with the aluminum foil and place it onto a cool surface such as marble or tile. If you used whole milk to cook the fudge will harden in 2 minutes. If you used coconut milk or evaporated milk, the fudge will harden in 4 to 6 minutes. After the fudge hardens, spread the aluminum foil flat. Then cut the fudge into 8 1-inch strips. Then turn the fudge 90 degrees and cut it into 4 1-inch strips. Now you have 32 pieces of fudge 1-inch square to serve hot right out of the pan. 1 bag of fudge mix makes a pound of fudge as shown on the plate above. In less than 10 minutes, you have cooked a pound of fudge that is already hardened and is ready to serve. Next, we will show 10 very unique varieties of chocolate fudge that you can make using my Lenz Magic Fudge mix. Chocolate walnut fudge. A delicious chocolate orange walnut fudge. Rum walnut fudge that you will absolutely love. Chocolate rum walnut raisin fudge. Chocolate coconut fudge. Chocolate almond fudge. Chocolate peanut butter marshmallow fudge. Chocolate rum eggnog fudge. Chocolate hazelnut walnut fudge. And the one that kids like the best, Rocky Road fudge. For more information about Lenz Magic Fudge Microwave Chocolate Mix, go to www.lenzmagicfudge.com.